Hello and welcome to today's mindfulness session. This will be great if you have a hard time falling asleep, you've woken up in the middle of the night, or maybe in general want to catch a break in the middle of your busy day. Before we begin, I'd like you to know that we will be putting our bodies in a state between sleeping and waking. During these states, your brain transmits certain waves that are linked to highest levels of rest. It can be even more potent than deep sleep. It is important that you know this information, as simply knowing information can change how your body reacts to certain stimuli. So, with that in mind, let's proceed to the session. Slowly, gently, close your eyes. Firstly, make yourself comfortable and set an intention to not move for the upcoming practice. You should also aim to not fall asleep during the practice, but if you do, that is okay. Simply follow my voice, and if you find yourself drifting away, use my voice as an anchor to bring yourself back. Let's start by relaxing our bodies with a few physiological sighs. It's a breathing pattern that goes like this. Breathe in fully through the nose. At the top, breathe in a little bit more and let it out as if letting a sigh out. Once again, deeply in through the nose. Another sharp inhale at the top and let your sigh out with control. Continue breathing in this way and pay attention to your neck and shoulders being relaxed, especially towards the end of those inhales. Make sure you are letting the air out with control. Don't blow it out. And a couple more slow ones. Let it out slowly. One more. Release all control. Let your breath fall into a natural cycle and observe it for a moment. Observe the natural rhythm of your breath. We will now proceed with a body scan. Move your awareness to the body part you hear named. Say the name of the body part to yourself silently and try to feel that part of your body. We will start on the right side of the body. Right hand thumb. Second finger. Third finger. Fourth finger. Little finger. Palm of the hand. Become aware of your palm. Back of the hand. Your wrist. Lower arm. Your elbow. Your upper arm. Your shoulder. Your armpit. The right side of your waist. Your right hip. Your right thigh, right knee, calf muscle, ankle, your heel, sole of the right foot, top of the foot, Feel your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Become aware of the left hand thumb, the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the hand, your left wrist, lower arm, your left elbow, left shoulder, left armpit, left side of your waist, your left hip, left thigh, your knee, your left calf muscle, your ankle, your heel, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Become aware of the right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, your right buttock, left buttock, your whole back, your whole back. Move your awareness to the top of the head, your forehead, both sides of your head, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between the eyebrows, your right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, your right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, your nose, tip of the nose. Feel your upper lip, your lower lip, your chin, your throat, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, your navel, your abdomen. Feel your whole right leg, whole left leg, both legs together. Feel your whole right arm, whole left arm, both arms together. Feel your whole back, both buttocks, both shoulder blades, your whole front side of the body, your abdomen, your whole chest. Feel your front and back side together. Feel your whole head. Feel your whole body. Feel your whole body at once. the whole body together. Move your awareness to your breath. Feel how the air flows in and out of your lungs. Don't try to change it. Simply observe the natural flow of your breathing. Observe how there is no effort involved. Now start counting backwards after each exhale, starting with the number 27. It should sound like this. Breathe in, 27. Breathe out, 27. Breathe in, 26. Breathe out, 26. In, 25. Out, 25. Say the number to yourself silently. If you lose count, simply start over at the number 27. Relax all your efforts. Become aware of your skin. Feel how the air rests on it. Become aware of your heartbeat. Become aware of any sounds in your environment. Become aware of your body's position in the room that you are in. Lay quietly there as long as you need to. The practice is now complete. Thank you so very much for being with me. I wish you a pleasant sleep or good rest of your day. Stay mindful, and I hope to see you in the next one.